smiling, but sometimes you gotta look back to remember why you started. I was just a kid with a big dream, watching RC cars on an old TV screen. Dad said one day son will get you one. Money was tight but the hope weighed a ton, so I built little tracks in the dirt out back, pretending every stick was a jump or a ramp. Didn't need much, just the wind and the sun, cause the dream in my chest made the world feel fun. And even when the years rolled by, the feeling never said goodbye. The kid inside kept calling me, come back to where you're meant to be. Now I'm back to being kids, living the dream I never did. Run a speed test, feeling that rush, adrenaline hitting like a lightning touch. Kids or grown-ups, doesn't matter who. If you feel that spark, it's inside you too. We're building a movement, come ride with me on at Thecondor. Now I'm grown, but the fire's still loud. Filming every run, trying to make my dad proud. Low budget days.